Social Pilot, as the name suggests, is a social media marketing platform that helps you to automate your social media management. It was founded in 2014. Social Pilot offers quite a lot of features to offer, from publishing posts on your profiles to analyzing your post performance and much more. Welcome to 1MT Review YouTube channel. In this video, we will review Social Pilot. We compare pricing as well as features to come up with this guide. If you want more information and update pricing on the product mentioned, check link in the description box below. Please subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for next update video. Social Pilot is designed to help users to increase their social media reach and to enhance the efficiency of their online marketing strategies and efforts, and thus saves time and money. With a bulk scheduling feature, you can create and schedule posts and include multiple images for Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Google My Business, Pinterest, Tumblr, and VK from a single portal via CSV. Social Pilot integrates with almost all the major social media channels or networks. There's no character limit. Users get a free range they need to create and share messages with their target audience. The built-in content discovery and suggestion tool fulfills all your content needs at no extra cost. Features of Social Pilot. Social Pilot provides you with features like easy scheduling, comprehensive analytics, and RSS auto-schedule all under one roof. Through the calendar feature, you can track social media posts on a daily, weekly, and monthly basis. You can even apply filters to the calendar and view posts by accounts and groups. The calendar interface allows users to drag and drop posts to reschedule them. Social Pilot, a SaaS product, is an affordable option with which you can schedule and analyze your social media marketing activities. This cloud-hosted solution is suitable for small businesses and professional marketing agencies and teams and enterprises. Social Pilot allows you to track metrics for the performance of social media campaigns for each website, such as content engagement, audience growth, demographics, influencers, and competitors. Usability features. Social Pilot has a clean, simple, and an organized user interface. The interface is quite flexible, effective, and functional. The setup process does not take much time, and you can connect multiple accounts with the click of a few buttons. One great feature is that when you add a social media account, it automatically creates a posting schedule for your content, which you can edit. Of course, you can manage all the major social media networks through a single interface. The overall layout and navigation is quick to understand. Social Pilot also has a simple and clear analytics dashboard. It is easy to navigate through the different features using the navigation bar. The platform guides you through the initial setup when you log in for the first time, and there's always an icon to access help on the page you're working with. The live demo option after you sign up for trial is also a great feature, but the live training is restricted to the most expensive enterprise plan only. Social Pilot shows price and features comparison on its websites with some of the other competitors as well, which may be helpful for analyzing Social Pilot pricing. There are 3 paid plans, and all the plans come with a 14-day free trial. No credit card required. You can select for monthly subscription or annual subscription. With the annual subscription, you save 15%. Check link on the description box for pricing details. Here is monthly plan details. Number 1, agency plan, $106 per month. 50 social media accounts, 9 users, unlimited clients. White label. Number 2, studio plan, $85 per month. 30 social media accounts, 6 users, unlimited clients. Number 3, multi-team plan, $42 per month. 20 social media accounts, 3 users, unlimited clients. Number 4, professional plan, $25 per month. 10 social media accounts, 1 user. Cancellations and refunds. There are no contracts or commitments with Social Pilot. You can cancel your account anytime irrespective of the plan you've chosen. If you take an annual plan, you will get refund for the rest of the months. Pros of Social Pilot. Easy to use and quite affordable. Useful all-round social media dashboard. 14-day free trial with all plans. Connects with all major social networks and with Facebook ads. Handy browser extension for sharing on the go. Social Pilot's mobile app includes image editing functionality. A useful strategic partner for management. Cons of Social Pilot. No free version. No automatic alert when queue post fails. Social Pilot does not offer external analytics integrations. Is Social Pilot the right social media marketing platform? Recommended if you are a marketing agency, With Social Pilot's bulk scheduling, you can easily create a bulk post by uploading CSV file with 500 posts. It's a handy feature for marketing agencies who require client approval for social media post content and have a considerable number of posts to share per day. Also, you can use the client management tools to get access to multiple clients' profiles and begin sharing and posting on their behalf. You get access to their accounts without the exchange of private credentials or the need to appoint you as an admin of their account. You want to learn audience demographics. You can find out who and where your most engaged audience members are and what hashtags are resonating the most. You can see the times and days your audience are most active on. You are looking for powerful, yet easy to understand social media analytics. It allows you to improvise your social media marketing and efficiency. Along with analyzing content posted from Social Pilot, you can analyze any content posted from anywhere on your page and social accounts. Not recommended if you are looking for API integration with Instagram. If you create a post on Social Pilot, you will need to use their own mobile app to schedule and post directly on Instagram. You want social listening feature. Social Pilot is heavily focused on publishing and scheduling content, and it does not include social listening features. Is Social Pilot worth it? Social Pilot connects to an impressive list of social networks: Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn, Google My Business, Pinterest, Tumblr, and VK. But there is a lack of Instagram functionality. No direct publishing with Instagram, but it offers great functionality to manage Facebook pages. The custom Facebook branding is a prominent feature that is lacking in various other automation and scheduling tools available in the market. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel for next update videos.